We now know the name of the woman murdered during a Tinder date in Layton. Police identifying her as 25-year-old Ashlyn Black of Layton. Police say Ethan Hunsaker admitted to them he killed her. Hunsaker called police early Sunday morning to say he had killed someone inside of his home. This is near 1300 North Reed Avenue. When officers arrived, they found Black with multiple stab wounds. Now, according to court documents, Hunsaker and Black met up earlier in the evening. The motive here still under investigation. Hunsaker has been booked into the Davis County Jail on one count of murder. The family of Ashlyn Black releasing a statement this evening. It reads in part, "Our hearts are broken and our lives are forever changed due to the despicable acts of another person. In just a few senseless and selfish minutes, a life of an amazing, fun-loving young woman was taken. One who had a passion for being the voice of those who could not speak out for themselves." This case is an example of a growing problem during the pandemic. Domestic violence on the rise here in the state of Utah. Officials tell ABC4 News investigator Jason Wynn there are many more cases where people are beginning to reach out for help.
Tonight, as COVID-19 continues to spread, so too does the news of domestic violence.
And if somebody is intent on doing harm, you can't always protect yourself from that.
Layton police say Ashlyn Black met Ethan Hunsaker on Tinder. They say he stabbed her to death on his bedroom floor and that Black didn't do anything to warrant her death.
The reality is that you can have intimate partner violence on a first date.
Intimate partner violence is considered by law enforcement as an act of aggression, physical or sexual violence. The Utah Domestic Violence Coalition says if you're going on a date, meet the person in a public place by taking your own car. And don't forget to tell friends or family where you're going and what time you plan on being back.
Please do not victim blame. It is the wrong approach. We need to help each other.
As Utah continues to open up in the pandemic, people are beginning to ask for that help from shelters and the Utah Domestic Violence Coalition instead of police.
Because some people are in a relationship with that individual, a long-term relationship, or maybe it's even just in early stages, but they're trying to work it out.
ABC4 News took a look at probable cause statements from Memorial Day weekend, finding more than a dozen cases involving some sort of aggravated assault on a family member. In fact, Salt Lake City Police reports a 29% increase in those kinds of cases. Officials say if you're ever in serious danger, call 911 with your cell phone.
You can just leave the phone going and with your GPS, they can locate you if you are in need of help or support.
In Salt Lake County, I'm Jason Wynn, ABC4 News.